Bienvenidos a Blizzard World. Prepara tus defensas. Cinco, 4, 3, 2, 1. Se aproximan enemigos. Defiende el objetivo A. Apúrense con eso.
Abre tu mente.
Permíteme reparar el daño. Admiro su habilidad.
Ursa's low.
One side down, right side, right side. Zen and Ursa. No crash shoot. I have my ult, I'm up.
Oh, I died. Feels bad.
Watch out, top left, jump, top left.
Yo, okay, Ryan, you might need to use the shot.
I'll headshot him.
I'm coming back in 5.
I'm on Winston. Who are you being held down by?
Bob.
Oh. Oh, bro, where's my healing? I haven't gotten healing once.
Nice try.
Right side, pulling your right. Watch out, Zen right. Zen in friggin', I'm dead. My shield down, shield down.
Come on, run.
Uh,
Throwers.
hold, so yeah. 1 point.
Ryan, what are you doing in here?
Getting bodied.
Big.
Holding back. Oh, down. Get down, get down.
Get down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Listen, pushing right side, they're pushing right side. They're coming, they're pushing corner, Holding.
Ah, fuck, couldn't hook me.
I don't know. Winston right side. Winston
Big,
jumped up right.
big.
Holding. Watch out, I'm losing shield. Jumping native. Good point. I'm being shoved up right.
Yo, Zen, come on, buddy. Come on, bro.
Quedan 30 segundos.
Resistan un poco más.
Ryan,
Am I all? Almost. No shield.
Yo, did the Ashe just die to dodge your shatter?
I don't know how to fall.
That's kind of gay, homie. You know?
I don't think he. I should have gotten the kill.
It's kind of gay, homes.
Puntuación.
That's kind of gay, that's it.
Cambiando.
I don't know how the fuck they dodge that.
Bienvenidos a Blizzard World. Prepárate para atacar. Selecciona
Zen,
a tu
we-
héroe. 5,
It's our little gay secret.
2,
It's my secret bit.
comenzando a atacar.
My secret two bits.
El objetivo A.
I love the taste of your pussy. So good, and they have a reef.
Dashing comp.
Nice, boys. Kill Hawk.
Objetivo A.
Okay.
Capturado.
I'm moist.
Suelten la carga.
Tracer.
Yo, what the fuck is that? I got an anti-hook and just deaded.
Y'all are about to get scary right now. My Genji's actually a bit too good.
Yo, when he says that, he's not joking.
Oh, that was actually horrible. I just need my blade and then just getting it. Even the people. I'm so good with my blade, I might still keep on out.
That was 3 ults.
Agrupense conmigo.
Un toque a distancia.
Someone's to the left. Reaper left.
Boys, they're chasing me.
Wipe them, boys.
Ow.
Why does he sleep me?
Cause you're gay and big.
I'm just a big boy. What's wrong with you?
Just fat.
Okay, that's
chicken
offensive.
nigger.
That's offensive. Okay. I am just muscular.
I'm just thick. I'm thicker than a
Very
stick.
thick, okay? Reaper inside that build. Left side. Left side, Reaper. shield by Orisa. I'm shield out, shield out, shield broke, shield broke, shield.
Almost a, it's almost a run.
Holy fuck, I'm being.
Únanse a mí.
White waffle, where's your blade, nigga?
I just got retreated.
Abraza al olvido.
Orisa on payload, Orisa.
Fuck, I'm retarded.
Kinda.
Oh my game push, I'm game push, I'm game push! Team.
Come back, come back.
Oh my god, are you guys pro Overwatch League players?
Watch out, right side, right side, right. Left side, road up.
Zenny boy.
Reaper 2, they broke my shield. Pushing out.
I kill soldier.
Mercy down,
Come
mercy
on,
down,
Hog.
mercy.
Hog's really low.
I'm dead, I'm pretty late, I'm late. Whoa, whoa, watch out.
If you guys group up quickly, we can push and win it. Just call shots.
La carga debe ser trasladada.
Okay, we will flip. I stuck the shield somehow.
We are.
Hog's chasing me.
Bastion's
I'm on
dead.
payload, I'm on payload, I'm on payload.
He got res.
Bastion down, Bastion down.
Nice boys.
Right on.
Windies.
Quedan 30 segundos.
Nice.